What's up? Doing another video with my 2013 Mustang GT, and we've been doing small little details to clean up this car. Last time we did basically a facelift, replaced the grille with the RTR style grille, and it was a really good time. This time around, we're doing something a little bit less complicated. The hood vents on this car have been plasti dipped for almost like 6 years. It was basically a month after I got the car when I changed these to black. And I didn't do a very good job, to be honest. It was just one of those things where I was testing out to see what it would look like, and then I just never peeled it off. And instead of just leaving those stranded looking pretty ugly compared to what we've done to the car the previous month, we did the carbon fiber deck lid, the license plate surround, side skirts, and the brand new grille. So we're gonna do one more thing to bring it all together. Let me get them for you, let me show you. This is a pure, real carbon fiber hood vent by True Fiber, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to put this on. Now, is this a crazy hard install? No. YouTube channels don't have to be crazy hard installs. We can just enjoy it, have a good time, hang out like some bros, and put on this part. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. It's incredibly easy, and this could probably apply to a lot of different cars' hood vents because they're very easy to remove unless they're like glued on. So let's get to it. All right. So by the way, if you're ever opening a Mustang's hood, don't go up. Everyone goes like this, you go down. It's a little weird and funky, and then you just go like that. And oh my God, Supercharged, they're so crazy. So the next thing is taking off these push pins, and we're gonna take off this piece of carpet that covers up the access to the hood vents. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. So I need to go get my push pin clip, prop those out, piece of cake. Pretty sure the next thing I'm gonna do to the Mustang is change out the headlights. So let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see some really cool headlights, because the color isn't really a good match, right? The grille has a different kind of light color than these do. So a little weird on camera, so therefore I kind of want to fix the headlights. So we're gonna go like this, get on in there, dirty danced. Oh my God, this is why, Ford, why you do this? Why you have freaking hood props still? Doing it the right way, boys. Side note, if you guys are interested, no. Ooh, that almost went in there. Side note, if you guys are interested in getting your own Smiles Per Gallon hat, shameless self-promotion, I know, head over to the link down in the description below, because it helps people like me. Oh my God. See, like, one's easy, one's not. Oh my God, there's like a lot. How do I manage to hit my knee on my own car? Oh, that one hit the ground. Working on your car by yourself, it's kind of therapeutic. But then there's not also somebody to like double check you and make sure you're not screwing up. Oh, example A. I should have probably done this in the other way around. Sweet. That is an allergy attack waiting to happen for David here. Okie dokie, take this guy off. Next step, 3/8 ratchet. Only one. You ever working on a car and you're like, it can't be this easy? Then you usually get a nice little surprise somewhere. Okay. There's that little guy. It's faster just to do this, honestly. Oh, it's these little freaking clips right here. So the push pin tool is coming in handy because I can just kind of take this, use leverage, push this little clip, and it'll start going up. So, kind of like that. Yep, here we go. Push. One more. Oh no! Okay, we're safe. I didn't scratch the paint. As you can see here, not my finest work from 6 years ago. You can see that there's blue coming through here now. I just didn't put enough effort right here, and that's why it's starting to go. I think the carbon fiber is gonna be better, guys. Bam, look at that beauty. Much better. One other thing is that it comes with this adhesion promoter. I'm just wearing gloves so I don't get fingerprints all over my freaking car. But you just take this and you break it. It seems very weird because it makes this really awful noise, but that is what kind of starts pushing the promoter out of this little brush. up top. So I'm gonna put it all the way around where the vent is going to meet the hood. I also need to transfer the previous hardware from the last vent to the carbon fiber one. All right, one down. So when you get it, it comes in this really nice packaging. They do a very, very good job. We're gonna take this piece of hardware and transfer it onto the carbon fiber like so. It simply slides on. It'll have a little bit of resistance at first, and then it's on there, just like that. Same step with the 3M adhesive promoter. SpongeBob be like, going around the edge, just like the last one. Promoting everywhere it's going to touch. Tip and trick, before you screw up the first time like I did, make sure to go from the top to the bottom. That way you can use the top clip, get that to snap, then lay it on there and it'll go perfectly in place where you're supposed to put that 3/8. So that was the technique. First time around I got a little stuck. That was very nerve-wracking, so thankfully made it happen. It's on there now. Now I just have to button it up with the 3/8. All right guys, and there you have it. The hood vent installation is complete. I actually dropped one of the nuts that attaches to the hood vent somewhere in the engine bay. That took me forever to get out because of my stupid self. I told you there's always a hurdle with any installation, even if it's really small. Personally, I really do think it was worth it. It really cleaned things up compared to the previous hood vents. I definitely am not gonna be missing these anytime soon. I'm very glad I removed them, and I'm very glad that the car feels more complete all the way around now, rather than one eyesore on the hood. So that was pretty satisfying. With that guys, I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Thank you so much for dropping by for this really laid back and fun video, and I will see you guys next time, and take it easy. Have a wonderful day.
Well.